Most people get this wrong when they hear about Balance Shield. They think it is free money, or some kind of automatic protection that fixes overdrafts instantly. Here's the truth no one tells you. It is not magic, and if you don't understand how it works, you can still end up with negative balances. In this video, you will learn exactly how Earnin Balance Shield works in 2026, who qualifies for it, how it protects your account, and when it actually helps you avoid overdraft fees. Let's break it down simply. Balance Shield is a feature inside Earnin designed to help prevent your bank account from going negative. So if your balance drops too low, Earnin can automatically move a small amount of money into your account to keep you above zero. Now here's where it gets interesting. This is not random money. It is based on your earned wages and your linked income history. So if John gets paid weekly and his paycheck is predictable, Balance Shield can step in when his account is at risk of overdraft before payday. But here's the problem most users don't realize. Balance Shield does not activate for everyone at all times. It depends on your account activity, your income patterns, and your Earnin usage history. If your income is irregular or your payroll system is not properly connected, you may not get full access to it. Let's go deeper. The way it works is simple. You connect your bank account and your employer payroll. Earnin tracks your expected earnings. When your balance gets low, the system checks if you have upcoming earned wages available. If yes, it can advance a small buffer amount to prevent overdrafts. But there is a key detail people miss. Balance Shield is not a replacement for budgeting. It is a safety net. That means it only works well when your income is steady enough for Earnin to predict your paycheck accurately. In a minute, think about your own situation, because this feature only becomes powerful if your income follows a regular pattern. So who actually benefits most? If you are someone with a consistent paycheck, like a full-time employee, Balance Shield can be very helpful in avoiding surprise overdraft fees. It acts like a small cushion when timing between bills and paydays gets tight. But if your income is unpredictable, like gig work or freelance jobs, the feature may not always trigger when you expect it to. Now here is a real-world example. Imagine Alex has $15 in his account, but a $30 subscription is about to hit. Without Balance Shield he would overdraft and get a fee. With Balance Shield active, Earnin may advance a small amount so his balance stays safe. But again, it only works if his earnings are tracked properly. So let's summarize clearly. Balance Shield helps prevent overdrafts by using your upcoming earned wages as a safety buffer. It is not guaranteed for everyone, and it depends heavily on stable income tracking. Here is the bottom line. It is a useful safety feature, not a financial solution. It works best for people with steady jobs and predictable pay cycles. If this helped you understand how Balance Shield really works, like the video, leave a comment with your experience, and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of financial apps in 2026.